Here's the app called Second Texting Number. So just tap get, and then here's the app. Double click to install it, and then get a new line for texting. Get a new line for texting with Second Texting Number. It's free to start. Download now. Choose your own number. Get a new phone number with any area code. Unlimited texting. Receive verification code. Privacy protect. Group texting. No ads. So yeah, this is the an app where you can get second number, but it's mostly for texting. So it's not for calls or calling. Just if you need to sign up somewhere and receive verification code, that's just how it works. So for example, here is the number, and I can just choose it. And then unfortunately, there is no free option. So there is a free trial enabled. Start your 3-day free trial, then $14 per month. So as you can see, that's what it is. $14 per month, and that's it. So you can't use this app for free, unfortunately, and then you just need to upgrade and use a free 3-day free trial. So that's what it is. If you're using free trial 3-day, remember you need to cancel it on the second day if you don't want to be charged. If you cancel on third day, you will be charged. So there you have it.